Hi there, beloved. Good morning. I just wanted to make you aware that there is support for you in a way that I'm not sure that you're aware of. Every morning and every evening, I fully presence and move into the space of being love and being stillness and allowing the light of my true essence and the light of all of our essence to come into our awareness. And I call this my morning and evening light meditation. This is every single day. And you don't have to sit with me in meditation in order to receive the calm and the grounding and the peace and the presence of love. You don't need to sit at the same time that I do. In fact, you don't need to sit in meditation at all, because in this program, I will transmit this to you. So this is actually through a transmission that you will experience every morning at your 6 a.m. No matter where you are around the world, 6 a.m. you receive the morning transmission. And at 8 p.m., you receive the evening transmission. This can change everything. When people are running around in this world so lost and in so much fear, I want to remind you of something. Love is the most powerful thing in this entire universe, and it overrides and heals and makes right everything that is wrong, everything that is not in the divine creation. When we presence this love, it changes everything. And I want you to know also that the significant hijacked minority of humans, and hijacked is a whole other, I'm not going to get into what that really means right now because it's very deep. Just know that what has control of the media right now is not an accurate reflection of what's happening on our planet. It's not an accurate reflection of anything because it's all fear-based. The things that they are reporting on and dominating attention on are not things that you need to worry about, okay? In fact, every time you find yourself, and even if you don't listen to the media, all the people around you are telling stories about it, and everybody's freaking out about this or that or whatever. And all that does is keep your power from you, beloved. This is why I invite you to receive deeply this morning and evening transmission. This is not inexpensive, because you must invest in your peace and in your life in order to receive what you need to thrive in these times. And it's at my other website. It's not at miraclesmanifestnow.com. I've been having a lot of challenges with that site. It's at jyotilove.com. So if you want to come and participate and receive this calming, stabilizing, healing, restorative daily transmission, both morning and evening, this can be the answer for you. I send you love and blessings and peace right here, right now, in the midst of everything that's going on. And see this beautiful day? It's a cloudy, little bit of overcast day. You know, no matter what it is, no matter how life is showing up, let's embrace the beauty that is present right here in this moment. We can do this together. I believe in you, and I love you, and I stand in love and devotion to you.